Winds this weekend impacted 14,000 people in Monroe County. And we talked to Rochester Gas and Electric today about what it took to get the lights back on for everyone. They did that relatively quickly. James Gilbert joining us now with this. James?
Hey, Maureen. Yeah, pretty impressive video that, of course, we saw from the windstorm on Sunday. Over the past several windstorms we've had, really since 2017, RG&E has often been criticized for their response. And even last year in December, they, along with New York State Electric and Gas, settled with the state for $10.5 million because of those responses. I was told today major changes have been underway. The Energy Control Center manager says just over the past few years, they've drastically improved the infrastructure as well as management of emergencies, like the one we had yesterday morning, to make sure power is restored to as many as possible, as efficiently as possible. And a lot of that starts with preparation.
We ramped up the team going into Friday and started moving resources to be here by Sunday morning to try and coincide with the window of impact as we saw it. Weather doesn't always agree with us, right? We try our best to get folks here so they're here when it hits.
All regular maintenance during calm weather stops during events like this, but does ramp back up once that weather comes back down. I was told eyes are already on what could be an impactful weekend. Maureen?
All right, James, thank you. And there are still some